Hello. We're gonna start working on my Honda Civic here. Take a look at it. Let's flip this around. There you go. Already got the tire off. Working on the shock right there. I couldn't get the bolt off 2 days in a row, so I was going to go down and get somebody to remove it for me. And I figured I'd try one trick, is to use one of these things called a bolt extractor. And the one I need is either 13 or 14. I'm going to try both of them. Alright. And if I got any spare time left over, I'm going to try to replace this brake pad. I tried it yesterday. I didn't know you had to do something with the armature. Or the... Oh, we'll get to it. Here's some of the tools I got. It's an impact wrench. I just sprayed it down with DV Blaster for the second time. And I haven't tried to get it off today, but we're going to see how the bolt extractor works. I went ahead and researched a bunch of these, and they look like they're pretty successful. So those would be good. Got the car jacked up. And let's see. Got some parts and tools here. And here's the new shock I'm putting in. I've already done the other side. It came out real easy. The bolt took me 30 minutes. This one on this side's taking me, there's where you unscrew it out from the back. This one's taken me 2 days so far, in about 7 hours. So we'll check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. Alright. I went ahead and tried to see which one of these would fit. This one here is a 14. The 13 is just a little too small. Okay, we'll go ahead and put it on here. No, wrong size. We'll get right back with you. Alright. Got the right adapter here. It slides right over. That don't sound good. No, that's nice and close. I think they were rounded off the bolt. Let's see if these things got grippy teeth on there or not. I think this is a straight one. Yeah, I think this is the wrong tool. Those look straight to me. They're supposed to be somewhat radial, like circular. Because this one grabs in both angles. So, God, what's the name of this company? Rip. Alright, it's called Power Torque. Well, they only abstract, they're useless. Okay, let's see what we got here. I don't even think a 13 will even fit on there. No, 13 won't fit. Take it back. All right, off we go.